First video I made on the Pell airdrop on Satoshi app, I made mention of how to get whitelisted for the airdrop, and I explained on how to copy your address from the MetaMask so as to complete the task. Then I also made mention of the quest that is on the Pell airdrop, the Pell token that we were asked to complete the task, the quest task, for us to be eligible for the airdrop. The information we were given was to copy the address we used to complete the quest and paste in the given place this part so as to be able to be eligible. So I got reports from some of my subscribers that they've not been able to complete the task. They don't know how to navigate their way around the different tasks. In today's video, I'm going to explain in details how you can carry out the tasks, the different tasks that are in the Pell airdrop on Satoshi app. So join me today as I go on in this class. So the first you'll be doing is to click on the get whitelisted, and we are going to go into the quest immediately. So after clicking on the get whitelisted, we've imputed our MetaMask address. Then you click on the complete quest to begin the process. We are in the page for us to be able to complete the quest, and this is it. So we are going straight to the first one. The first one says, it says, see the quest one, claim your gas fee directly from the blockchains or through Discord, and the number one says claim free gas via Discord. So click on this claim. Once you click on the claim, it will take us to our Discord. So this is it. Then you go ahead to accept the invite. You go ahead to click on this arrow, click on that arrow. So the next you'll be doing is to come, you can see welcome, you can see verification. So you click on the verification. So what we do now is to verify. You go ahead to click on verify, and you will see a captcha will pop up. You can see the captcha here. It will pop up for you. HWDCK. So let's go ahead, click on the solve. HWDCK. HWDCK. So after typing it in, you click on the submit. We've been verified. You can say thanks, you have obtained the verified role, and you can now access the rest of the channel. So once you complete this, the next you'll be searching for is to go ahead and search for the Satoshi app. So you leave this part, click on that arrow, then you search for Satoshi app. Let's go ahead and search for Satoshi app. Okay, I can see the Satoshi app here now. Look at it here. Can you see it? So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on the Satoshi app, the next you will be doing is to create a command. Please follow this process accordingly. You have to create a command so as for us to be able to get the BNB gas, the mantle gas, and the core gas. So for us to be able to begin this process, we have to go to our MetaMask first to copy the address we submitted for the whitelist. Blockchain mainlets to copy for the whitelist. So what you would do now is to go ahead, click on this part to copy your address. You click on that part to copy your address. Can you see? Then once you copy it, you move back to page where we are carrying out the quest command / then we search for BNB gas address. Oh, it's brought it out on its own. So you can see the BNB gas address is out. Then the next you do is to paste the address you copied from your MetaMask. Make a press down there, then you click on the paste, and you can see it. We've been able to paste that. Then what you do is to go ahead and send it. You send. Can you see my name here? Different people are actually claiming. So then after completing that, you can see it here. Sorry, different people are claiming there. So Pell testnet, congrats, address bound, and BNB gas claimed. You can see I've been able to claim for the BNB gas. Then the next you'll be claiming is come back here and make a command. The next you'll be claiming is the mantle gas. So after creating your command, you search for the mantle gas. you can see they just click on it, then you go ahead and paste the address. You copy same address from your MetaMask, then you create the command and send, and you can see it's processing right away. You can see it right here. Congrats, address bound and Mantle gas claimed. Then the last we'll be claiming on this page is to create a command again, and you search for your core gas. Search for your core gas. Go ahead and click on that. Then go ahead and paste the address again and click on it. Then it's processing, and you can see congrats, address bound. You can see Pell testnet. So we've been able to complete this task. Then we'll move away from here and move to our Satoshi app to go for the second task on the second quest on the app. We've been able to complete this task. The first quest, which says claim free gas via the Discord, and we've completed this. So the next we'll be going is to the number 2, which says claim free gas on core chain. So you go ahead and click on the claim, and this is faucet core testnet scan. So input your core address. So the same address you copied from your MetaMask, you go ahead and paste it here. You paste it, then you click on I'm not a robot. You click on that part. So I'm not a robot. So you go ahead to click on get T core, which is a testnet core. And funded sources in transaction. Can you see funded sources in transaction? So we've been able to complete this part. Then the next we'll do is to move back to the number 3, which says claim free gas on BNB chain. Then the number 4 also says claim free gas on the Mantle chain. So let's click on the number 3 and let's move into it. For this one, we'll be paying some gas fee, about 0.3 BNB, and you can see get test tokens 0.002 BNB on BSC mainnet is needed for test funding. How to get BNB? So every 24 hours BSC testnet tokens can be claimed. So if you have this 0.3 BNB, you can go ahead, just click on it, then you input your wallet address, enter your BNB smart chain testnet address there. So you go ahead to do that, but I will be omitting this part because I don't have BNB to complete the task. So then this also has the same thing. This claim free gas on Mantle, they also require some gas fee on this. I think it's Ethereum. You can see connect your wallet. We support Coinbase wallet MetaMask. Simply means you must have at least 0.001 Ethereum on your Ethereum mainnet, so you can actually make use of it on the MetaMask. I don't have Ethereum on my MetaMask and the Phantom, so I will just omit this. I can come for it later. All you just need to do is to click on the connect wallet, and once you click on the connect wallet, it will connect, and this is just asking you to have at least 0.001 Ethereum. So we'll omit this part now. So the next we'll be moving to is the quest 2, which says claim your test tokens, and it said the more chains you complete, the more Pell airdrop points you will earn. And so core testnet, BNB chain testnet, and Mantle testnet. So you go ahead to click on the claim. If you are still watching this video, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel so as to be able to get updates on all ongoing airdrops and the ones to come. So now we are on this page, and it says terms of service. So you go ahead to click on these 2 boxes and go ahead to click on agree and continue. This page opens up. The first you will do is to come to this part to copy this address, because if we have to do this task on the Chrome browser, it's going to take a long process. So what you will do is you could just click on this page, you long press and copy it. Then you could also make use of your share button. I will click on that share button, then I will click on to copy. So I just copy the address, then we'll move to our MetaMask. So right now I'm in my MetaMask interface. Then you move to this part, which is the browser, your MetaMask browser, and this page will open up for you. So the next you'll be doing is just to click on this part. then you clear off this part, clear that off, then you make a long press and paste the address you just copied from the quest section. Then you launch it, go ahead and send it to launch. This is it. We actually moved out from the Chrome browser to the MetaMask so as to be able to access it very well. So you go ahead to click on the Connect Wallet and go ahead and click on your MetaMask, which we are making use of. Then the next you do is to click on the Connect. Account 1 connected and active. Then you go ahead to, you said it looks like this network display name doesn't match its chain ID, so we are going to click on to confirm this. MetaMask doesn't verify and the likes. Just click on to confirm, and it says core testnet is not available in the network selector, so you go ahead to switch your network and you click on your got it. You have switched to core testnet and you click on got it. Then the next, so you can see temporary block. Okay, we've noticed multiple requests, so I didn't do this. So you just click on your cancel because you didn't request for them to block. You can see our wallet has been connected to the core testnet on the MetaMask. So what we'll do next is for us to click on this WBTC. If yours is not showing the faucet, you could just scroll a bit and click on the faucet for the WBTC. Then you click on it. Then you go ahead, you can see 0.01 faucet. You go ahead and click on that. And this is actually not requiring a gas fee from you. So you continue, confirm your this testnet and transaction submitted. You can see waiting for confirmation. You can see that it's all done and we've done this now. So back here, so go ahead and click on this part, click on your cancel, then click that to leave there. So you just continue, you can also click on the BNB. We've done for the core testnet. You click on the BNB, the BTC, click on the faucet and just do the same thing to complete the testnet. The more, it was said there that the more you complete them, the more you earn for the airdrop. So you click on your confirm and click on the cancel, and you can see we've just done this for the BNB chain testnet. Then you click on the mantle testnet also and go ahead to do this too. Click on the faucet, click on switch network, confirm switch network, click on your confirm, and you can also see it. Click on the cancel. So we've just completed okay, so you click on this faucet, click on switch network, confirm switch network, click on the confirm, cancel. So you can see we've just done them. So you just try and complete them. And so the next we'll be doing is to move back to our Satoshi app. So we've been able to complete the first and the second quest. This is a quest 1. We've been able to complete this, and the quest 2, which is this. You can see, the more claims you complete, the more Pell airdrop points you earn. So you make sure you go back there to always make the claim. You just try and exhaust the testnet token because it's actually free and you are required to use them to make the claim. So now we are done with both the quest 1 and the quest 2. So the next we'll be moving to is the quest 3. You can see restake your test tokens. This is the quest 3, and we also have the quest 4, quest 5, quest 6 too. So we have up to like 8 quests to complete. So let's go back to the quest 3. This one says restake your test tokens. So you click on the restake. So the page just open up now for us to be able to restake it. Then you click on this part. You could make a long press here to copy this address, or you make use of the share button. I like doing these tasks on the main MetaMask page because it's easier there than using the browser. So you go back to your MetaMask main interface. You go ahead to click on the browser, so as to take us back to where we were. So we were actually here, this was where we stopped. So you come ahead and click on the cancel. You come ahead and click on this 3/, click on that part, then you click on your restake. Then this page will open up. So the next you'll be doing now is to, on the restake page, you could start with your core testnet, the core testnet, or the BNB chain testnet and the mantle testnet. So let's begin with the core testnet. You can see it's there. Then I think we made use of the WBTC for the staking. So you go ahead to click on the restake now, and you can see the maximum. I'm having 0.01. Click on the maximum. Then you click on your approve to approve the staking, and you wait for it to process. Then this is a pending cap request for your WBTC. Click on the next and click on the approve, and it's confirming, waiting for confirmation. Then you can see the stake is successful, and we've been able to stake the total amount of the 0.01 core testnet. So then you move back, you go, after completing that part, you just go back to, we've done this. So the next thing we'll do is to just scroll up, then you click on the back, click on that back button, then you come to your BNB chain testnet, you switch to that. Once you click on that, you switch to it, come here, click on it, and we are switching now. Click on that part, then you click on your BNB chain testnet and click on to switch network. Then we just switch now. Then we have to restake on the BNB also. So you can see, click on the cancel. So you can see we've been able to switch from core to the BNB chain testnet. Then the next you will go back to the Satoshi app. Let's move to our Satoshi app. This is it. Then you can see that we just completed the quest 3. We've completed the quest 3, this one. Then the next we'll do is to complete the quest 4. This is the quest 4. It says delegate your test tokens. So you click on the delegate, and remember we are making use of our MetaMask. So let's go to our MetaMask to complete this task again. So we are in the MetaMask interface. Then you go back to your browser, click on the browser, and the page we're working on will open up for us. Then the next you will do is to click on this 3/. So in the case of restaking, we actually made use of this to restake. So for us to be able to delegate, you go ahead and click on the operator. You click on this operator to be able to delegate. Go ahead and click on that. Then this page will open up for us. So you could just make use of anyone, but I want to make use of the Zero. Let me show you the one I want to make use of. I'm making use of this. We are making use of the Zero. So the next you will do is to click on that Zero, click on it, and scroll up to the end. Then you will see this part that says complete sign in. This part, you click on that part, then it will verify your account. Then the next you will do is to click on the sign, verify your account, and you can see we just made use of the Zero to delegate. Try to click on this arrow there, click on the tick, then you click on delegate, and it's confirming. So you go ahead to click on your confirm. You can see, just follow the process. It's actually very easy. Transaction submitted, all done. So we've been able to complete this task now. Then the next, you can see this process is actually free. The gas fee is taken is actually the testnet gas fee. So let's move back to our Satoshi app. This is it. So we've been able to complete the number 4. We've done the number 4. Can you see tick? Then the next is the number 5. It said follow Pell on X. Then you go ahead to follow, click on follow to follow them on the X, on their Twitter page. Then you click on the follow. We are actually done with the difficult part of the Pell quest. Then we've done that. Then the next is to do the number 6, which says join Pels on Discord. You go ahead and click on the join with the number 6. We are done with the number 6. Now the number 7 says join Pell Telegram mini app. You go ahead to click on the join. So you can see launch by launching this mini app, you agree to the terms of service, the Pell gem. So you go ahead and click on the start, and this interface just opened up for us. So you can see gamble, spin and win invite. So you just click on your spin and invite now. This is actually from them. So you can see your Pell points. You click on your goal just to do this task. You can see congratulations 0.0, you have earned this. So you've just done this now. Then the next you will do is to go back to your Satoshi app. So we are done with this number 7, which says join them on their Telegram. So the next you will do now is to click on the number 8, submit your wallet address, sign up. So this was the first we actually did previously. So if you know you are yet to submit your wallet address, go ahead and complete that as the address you use in completing the testnet. Go ahead and impute it in the right place on the Satoshi app. So we are done with the number 8. This is how to complete your quest on the Pell airdrop. Hope you find this video helpful. Please do like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so as to get updates on all airdrops I drop on a daily basis. Tell your friends about our channel where we drop different updates on a daily basis. Thank you everyone and remain blessed. Bye.